Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for a lad called Charlie. His mum got in contact with me and told me that Charlie likes big cats. So today we're going to be drawing one of the most elusive on the planet, the snow leopard. So let's make a start. First we'll draw its nose. It's almost like a rounded triangle. And these bits that go up towards the eyes. Put one bright beady eye in. And a second. The pupils looking out at us. And we'll do underneath here, joins up to the nose. We'll give this snow leopard a smile. Bit of a hairy chin. Cheek. We'll take this up to the hairline. We'll put an ear in. And a second ear. And if I am going a bit fast, just remember you can always pause the video, catch up and then hit play again. Put this bit of fur in and curve this round towards the chin. Now let's put the back in. Take it so far down and then stop. And put the curve of its back coming down like that. Now we'll put its front leg in. These big paws, apparently these act like snowshoes. They help to distribute the weight of the snow leopard. They have this really thick fur to help insulate them against the cold. They live in very cold mountainous regions. They have these big hind legs as well, and this really helps them to spring across the mountainside. And they often jump onto their prey. Put that fur in there at the back. Join that up, and then we'll put a second leg, slightly shorter so it looks as though it's in the distance. Just behind. Now for this leg we'll bring its shoulder up so it looks like it's walking, and then we'll have this one again a little bit shorter and behind so it's joining up to that shoulder above. Now let's put the tail in. We have tails that can be up to 105 centimeters long. It's thought that it aids their balance on the mountainside. And they also have been known to wrap them round themselves, a bit like a furry scarf, to stay warm. So there we go. Now, to make it a leopard, it needs these markings. Almost like circles. They're a bit more angular than circles. Put those all over the body. And despite being called a leopard, apparently they're more closely related to tigers. Put some more of these markings in. And these really help them camouflage themselves on the mountainside. Just put that furry belly in. Helps them blend in and they can't really be seen against the craggy ravines. A few on the tail here. A few on that back leg. Put the shadow in. Take that all the way beneath the tail. Need to give this leopard somewhere to walk. Let's put a mountainside here. And apparently they can walk over 25 miles in an evening, which is remarkable. It's almost a marathon. Got some mountains in the background here, snow-capped. Some of this deep scarring. You can have some patches of snow as well. Perhaps it's spring. Some of the snow has started to melt. We have our snow leopard stood on a patch of snow here. Apparently, unlike other big cats, they can't actually roar, and instead they have this kind of piercing yowl that can be heard over rushing streams and rivers. Okay, there we go. Put some signs of spring popping up here. Plants finally revealing themselves through the snow. Put some trees here as well, like pine trees. Just do this main trunk and then the branches coming off quite quickly like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just gives the impression of a sort of woodland trees in the distance there. Put a few more just behind. Obviously, as they get further away, they get a little bit smaller, a little bit less detailed. In the far distance, you can have a line of them following the base of the mountain. And snow leopards are sometimes spotted in the Himalayas, like this scene. But there's only thought to be about 4,000 of them left in the wild. Okay, there's the last few trees. Put some rocks in here. Make it feel a bit more mountainous. Some gravelly detail on these patchy, melted areas. A couple of birds in the distance. And there we have it. There is our snow leopard. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one, Charlie. Do remember to check out my other videos and to click the subscribe button. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new video. Also, if you have enjoyed this video today, please give me a thumbs up like. It really helps my channel grow and will mean more people get to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves drawing and would like this or one of my other videos, please share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, so I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.